Hi everyone. Do you like to blog? Do you have something you are passionate about and love to write about? To share your passion with the world? How about making some money while you're doing it? Or if you are already writing about products and services you love, then would you like to know how to make money with affiliate marketing from blogging? Let's discuss this today. I'm sure most of you know what blogging is, but just to be sure, we have the same understanding. Basically, blogging is when you write about a topic you are interested in. These days, a blog is usually done on a website. You write about a topic that you're passionate about, or at least one that you are interested in. For example, it can be a topic such as travel, wellness, make money online, health, dogs, cats, and many more topics. Here's a simple explanation of affiliate marketing with reference to blogging. You are an affiliate for a particular brand and their product. You write about their product. The brand gives you a unique affiliate link. You add the link to your blog post. Visitors arrive at your blog post and they click on the link and then they go to the website, and when they buy the product, you earn a commission. For example, you love coffee and there is a particular brand of coffee powder you use. It creates that perfect coffee you enjoy so much, the aroma, taste, etc. You write a blog about you making and enjoying the coffee, maybe with a meal or snacks, and then you add your Amazon Associates affiliate link to that blog post. And when your reader reads your post, clicks on the link, and goes to buy that coffee powder, you get a sale and you earn a commission. There are many people in this world who are making millions with affiliate marketing. On this website, there is a report of a few super affiliates and their earnings. John Chow is one of those most well-known names in affiliate marketing, and he earns about $100,000 per month from affiliate marketing. Pat Flynn is another well-known successful affiliate marketer, and he earns around $145,000 per month, and the list goes on and on. These are the top affiliate marketers. As someone new, you may earn a little less, but the important point here is yes, you can make money with affiliate marketing from blogging. And you need to get training, tools, and expert help to succeed. I did a video about these 3 things to help you succeed in affiliate marketing. Click on the card above to watch the video. Or if you are really interested in making money with affiliate marketing from blogging, then go to the description below and get started with the free training. It sounds easy, doesn't it? Just write about your topic of interest, add affiliate links, and let the passive income stream in. Well, the truth is, while it is not that difficult, it is not as simple as how I have just described it. There is more to it than that. There is more steps to follow before you start to make money from your blog. There is a step-to-step training that teaches you all the important steps, such as how to pick a profitable niche, how to create a website, how to find good quality affiliate programs, how to find keywords so that your web pages can be found on search engines. As a result, you drive traffic to your website. How to create content from the topics and keywords. How to promote your website. How to do paid search ads. And many, many more critical steps that will help you succeed with your blog. The good news is you can get all these steps and knowledge at one training platform. I have left a link to the free training in the description below. Go to the description below to click on the link to raise your chances of success with affiliate marketing from blogging. Do you have any questions about today's topic? That is, how to make money with affiliate marketing from blogging? Let me know in the comments below. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.